Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing icon assets and backing up originals. Open Android Studio and locate res/mipmap*/ and res/drawable*/. Export a foreground PNG and background PNG or XML shape. Adaptive icons need separate layers so system masks correctly. Make sure sizes include 48, 72, 96, 144, 192 DPI equivalents, or supply 432px safe artwork. Once done, drop new files into matching mipmap density folders and keep originals in a backup folder, because you may need to revert quickly. Now update references so Android uses your new artwork. Open Android Manifest. XML and change Android, icon and Android, round icon to your new mipmap names. Next, use Image Asset Studio to generate adaptive icon XML and mipmap sets automatically, or run your asset pipeline if you prefer scripts. Make sure build, Gradle flavors or build types do not override icons. If they do, update each variant. Once adjusted, clean and rebuild the project so generated resources are properly compiled into the APK. Finish by building and testing across devices. Create a debug APK and install it on phones and the target launcher to inspect masking and round icons. If the old icon still appears, clear the launcher cache, uninstall the app completely, or increment version code and version name to force an update. Make sure to test on multiple API levels and manufacturer launchers. If cropping occurs, tweak padding and safe zone, or use a different background layer. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing launcher data often resolves persistent cached icons.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.